Welcome to this 1 minute yoga practice designed to help you breathe and relax, reducing anxiety and stress. Take a deep breath in and let's begin. Pose 1. Deep breathing. Sit comfortably, eyes closed, focus on your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Repeat for 5 breaths. Pose 2. Shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward, up and back, release tension, relax shoulders down, repeat for 5 rounds. Pose 3. Neck stretch. Slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing your air towards your shoulder, hold for 5 breaths, switch sides. Pose 4. Seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended, inhale, lengthen your spine, exhale, fold forward, reaching for your toes, hold for 5 breaths. Pose 5. Final relaxation. Sit comfortably, eyes closed, focus on your breath, feeling calm and relaxed. Hold for 5 breaths. Final tips. Remember, anxiety and stress can be managed with deep breathing and relaxation. Practice yoga regularly to reduce anxiety and improve overall well-being. Thanks for practicing with me. Subscribe for more yoga routines for anxiety relief and stress reduction.